Duckling gets a cookie. Words and picture by Willems. I did not like the look of that title. The duckling gets a cookie. Hello, Scooty, Scoot, Scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks, flippity flap flap. That was very nice of you. Ooh, look at all these nuts. Hey, how can you get the cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it, politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Do I ask for a candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. Now I'm asking why. Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug. I ask to stay up late. Or I'm gonna ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. Oh yeah, I'm the askest pigeon in town. But do I get what I asked for? No! It's not fair. Flappy flap. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Hey, did you get that cookie? Why did you get that cookie? So I can give it to you. And another thing. How about what? You're giving me that cookie with the nuts. That's so nice. Thank you very much. Jump. That's one cool duckling. Jump. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time with no nuts.